This is where we're going, on these bikes, electric scooters, fat bike tours. We're going to go to the same place but on a bike. Hello, there's Venice. Hello, hello.
How was yesterday?
Very good.
Really good.
Are you okay on camera? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Hello John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Right, I'm ready to go with wheelies. Is it how do you pronounce it? Wheelz. Wheelz. Fat bike tour. Next. 24. Big red bus tour. We were on this yesterday and stopped, and that's how we found wheelies. You get a free beer, free Wi-Fi, 13 languages. Cheers on my bike.
Thank you. Really good.
Right.
So pull the accelerator towards you gentle. I will turn it. And if you wish, you can pretend like you're walking so you can find your balance.
Okay, then put my feet on. I rode a scooter in Thailand.
Perfect, all right.
A motorbike.
Really good.
There's me on the bike.
Okay. So, guys, we're gonna go slow here because it's small space.
Okay.
I'll be in front, John will be on the back.
Okay.
And we're gonna go slow, but since we're gonna turn left, it will be wider and easier.
Okay.
So for now, keep the fingers on the brake. Are you ready?
We're ready. Well, I'm ready.
What was that? Are you ready?
Yay!
All right. Really good.
So we've got our guide, Venice and John, was it? John?
Yep.
John, there we go. Venice and John guiding us. So you get Mario Kart in Tokyo and you get fat bikes in Athens. Right, what's the top speed? Here we are, fat bike tour, as I said already. But this is me holding my camera now. I'll show you some view. There's the view. There's Venice in front, doing our hand signals. Beep beep.
Right, really good. Park it wherever you like. First things we do is close the ignition and put the kickstand down. Oh yeah. Sorry.
All right.
There you go, really good.
26.
Yes.
Right, that's my age.
Victory against the Persians. Persians used to take Turkish and also from Iran. They came here on 480 BC.
They're the bikes that we get.
Also, it was spread democracy. All right, ready?
I'm waiting for you. And we're off. We're off to the secret spot. Well, there'll be 500 people.
You can come beside me. And we can set you up like a race. Yeah! Say cheese!
Wacky wacky.
Say feta!
Better.
Really good! Right. So,
Thank you.
now we're gonna get you to our favorite place. It's like a secret location.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
It won't be secret once I put it on YouTube, will it? Right, come this way, everybody. Follow me. What's happening over here? I've no idea. I think they're trying to get a snake or something. Right, let's go. We're at the next stop, which is called Eurotrade Bulletproof Construction. No, it's not called that. It's called Sky Sight of the Hills of Muses.
Together.
Hills of the Nymphs. It does say that. Right, so this is where democracy started. Had the votes here. The first place to have votes, they all stood up on the hill up there. You can fit 10,000 up there, and they put their hands up, and that's how they counted for the votes. And with the rocks, you get 6,000 signatures for somebody who's been bad. 6,000 people write their names on the rocks. They get banished from Athens and sent somewhere else. So they're like 10 years to an island, like Santorini or something. Some punishment that. No, but I'm sure Santorini wouldn't be. I mean, there'd be nothing on it at the time. The wall of the Sphinx. Sphinx? I can't say that word either. I can't say a lot of words in Greek. If you saw my Polish video, you know I can't say a lot of words in Polish either. Come to think of it, I can't say much in English. So that was that. The original wall, that. 40 tons per stone. It's the original stairs to get up. Everything's original here. I'm going to see a credible view of the Acropolis once we go up there. Right, so let's go and see this view. Yeah, so this is up from where I was. This is where they all stood. 10,000 people had a vote. The voting started. This is that place. I'm on a piece of history. Yeah, this is now in a history channel. Yeah. As I was saying, democracy, principles of equal rights under the law of democracy. Yes, I just walked up there, that's my wall now. Go this way, the steps, original steps. Oh, and here we are. Oh, look at that. There, look. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Beautiful place. History, what's in this place? Absolutely amazing. 6 million people live here now. A few thousand back then. 10,000 were up here making votes. Don't meet a turtle.
Yeah, look. No, it's a baby one.
Is it not a tortoise?
Oh, maybe
turtles are, yeah, because turtles are near the water.
Yeah, true.
Tortoise. I used to have a tortoise.
Oh, really?
Called Tommy. He was 98 years old.
Oh,
Or 78, I can't remember, but it was. Here. Hello. What's your name? We'll call you Tommy because mine was called Tommy.
It means luck, by the way. So you just got lucky.
I'm gonna go and do the. I'm gonna go and do the lottery.
Yeah.
It means lucky. There we go. Look at that.
Yeah.
So what's this flag? That's a Greek flag. What's this for?
That's actually was for the Easter because Jesus rised again. So that's what it says also.
Ah.
Jesus rised again.
How many bars have you got? You've only got 1 bar. How many bars have you got left? I've only got 1 bar. You're full.
Fully charged.
I've only got 1 bar.
So we're gonna have to push you.
How are you full? How many bars have you got? Oh.
Yeah. So you don't need to go up there. You have 360 point of view of the whole city. Also the sea and an island really close to us. Aegean. You see there's like a train passing by now? Yeah. That's beautiful.
It's old, isn't it?
Yeah. As you see, now the oldest line.
No jumping, okay?
I'll go last.
Huh?
I go last.
1 by 1.
Go.
I can't go. You go.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll zoom past you. I'll go past you until we go past. Right, what are these ruins in?
BC, imagine 11 BC. They turned this into an old cemetery of Acropolis. But do not worry, there will not be dead bodies here remaining. 16.
16, there used to be 104, now there's 16.
Because on
For Zeus this was.
raided the area.
No. The Germans raided and destroyed it.
So on 3rd century. And then they say how it was. Crazy. You see,
They want to rebuild it like that.
It's beautiful, but no.
Alright, so that's the temple of Zeus.
You
You saw
that it turned out to be
the picture, and this is what are left. They want to actually rebuild it, but they don't think it'll happen because it costs too much, and there's lots of problems. People saying we don't want it rebuilt because that's not how it should be. So there you go. So this celebrates Gate of Adrian. Separates the old town and the new town. This side. So this side, City of Adrian.
You want a photo with the background of Acropolis?
And that side, City of Acropolis. Old and new cities. There you go. Here we go, back to the store. Back to where we pick up the bikes. So we're back.
What do you think?
We're back. That was great. That was a great day.
Much better than walking, yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna need your water. It's a hot day.
Much better. There we go. That was good. Thank you. This is the next crew waiting. The next tour waiting.